Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to change name on Facebook. So let's get right into it. Once you are in your Facebook and headed over to your hamburger menu, and if you scroll down, you can see three options of help and support, settings and privacy, and also from Meta. Head over to settings and privacy, and there will be a drop down box which will lead you to settings. Tap on it, and there will be a Meta account center. Click on it and head over to your profiles and click on to your Facebook profile. And here you can see some options of name, username, and profile picture and avatar. As we want to change our name on Facebook, so tap on name, and here you can change your name by first name, middle name, and last name. And that's it. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next one.